Boa undadizit means before we are born. During the course of the pregnancy of the woman who's carrying a child. What I talked about is it's our belief as Anishinaabe that there's a spirit that exists there within us upon conception. So, naturally, abortions are not allowed in our community. It's basically you're killing a child. You're killing the spirit of that child. I've done several funerals involving these little ones, these fetuses. Sometimes they're so small that some of them are submerged in liquid. I do the funeral and send their spirit to the place where people go when they leave this world. Further along, we're going to talk more about the funerals and losing an infant, and I cover more completely the funeral itself. I also have been approached by several women during the course of their pregnancy asking me to talk for their tobacco and their food they're offering up to those manidug, those ones we rely on as a people. Usually they have concerns about their child and concerns on maybe that the delivery might not go the way they want it. And also at our dances, some call them big drum. Some of the ladies will bring in their food and tobacco and have me talk, making sure that they have a safe delivery. I also mentioned that it was out in the Mille Lacs, and I heard this woman singing. Was obvious she was pregnant, and what she was doing, she was telling me she was singing to her child, the one that she was carrying in her womb. And a lot of our women do that. There's a lot of respect for life itself and the life that they're carrying. So that's what I talked about in the Boa undadizit.